Good morning, namaste. So, my friends, how are you? I want one Zoom meeting we have to engage so that we can see the doubts from your side, any problems regarding teaching that I want to discuss with you. So, now from next week on Thursday, instead of mind lecture, Mr. M.V. Kamble will engage the lecture. This is because there is only one paper in my workload, and M.V. Kamble is having, I think, one and something. So we will interchange the lectures, and I will take the one lecture from the SYBSc. If you have any doubts, I think you are not engaging daily lectures. This is because you will ask me a question on phone or a mail. I will share my mail also. You can ask me a question on that mail. Don't bother about asking questions at any time. You see, this is the method of give and take between teacher and student. There must be an exact frequency matching between teacher and student. Otherwise, there will be a problem in understanding. Now, today, I am going to engage the new chapter for yourself. Today, I am going to start differential amplifier. The word differential to give the information how it will be worked. In the mathematics, we know the meaning of difference. We know the meaning of difference. Difference between two digits. Suppose 10 minus 2, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. Scientists develop this amplifier to amplify very small, big signal which is in the femtoampere input current. Okay. What is the purpose of that? So that this is constructed, we will see in the next lecture. But today, I will explain only the construction of differential amplifier. And theory behind that, we will see in the next lecture. Okay. True transistors T1 and T2 identical in doping concentration. What do you mean of that? Let us suppose there is NPN transistor T1. Similarly, T2 is also NPN transistor. Then let us suppose N in the collector is having 10 electrons. From the other, it is also having, that is on the T2 side, there are 10 electrons. In the base, in the case of T1, suppose two positive charges or holes, then in the case of T2, there are only two positive charges or holes. Similarly, in the case of emitter of T1 and T2, doped so that the electron in the emitter in the T1 is suppose 10, then on the other side T2 also in the case of emitter 10. So it is nothing but twins. All the properties are same. Common emitter, NPN. Concentration on the both the sides, same. For which concentration? Doping concentration. This is a theoretical, but in practical case, somewhat difference may be there. So theoretically, they are trying, if they are achieved the 100% matching between the two transistors, then it is very beneficial to amplify very weak signal. During my research, this type of amplifier is used to amplify current in the femtoampere. That is very weak current is there. To amplify that, we are using this type of differential amplifier. Okay, next we are going to see the collector current, the collector terminal of the T1 and T2 are connected to the RC1, that is collector load resistance RC1 and collector load resistance RC2. And they are tied to plus VCC power supply. Okay. In this case also, my friends, let us suppose RC1 equal to 100 ohm, then RC2 is also equal to 100 ohm. Again, it is resistance are equal. Now, we are going to move towards emitter. As you know, plus VCC is connected to the two collectors. Now, minus V DC power supply is connected to the two emitters of T1 and T2 transistors. And resistance of the emitter is RE, which is not shown in this diagram. That resistance is RE. You can see in the notes also. That resistance value may be both the sides are connected tied to the emitter resistance RE. So it is equal to the both the T1 and T2. Understood? You should carefully listen these lectures. Okay, next we are going to see. Input voltage VI1 AC signal is connected to the base of the transistor T1 through the input resistance RI1. Input AC signal VI2 is connected to the base terminal of transistor T2 through input resistance RI2. Understood? This Ri1 is equal to suppose 10 ohm, then Ri2 is also 10 ohm. Again, there is equality. How the scientist mind thinking is that even though you can research further, you can think on this. Why is constructed this type of differential amplifier? Whenever I am in the college level, I am not thinking, but you should think because new education policy is very useful to your research. So when I am doing research, what is the use of this differential amplifier? Why it is constructed in such a way that I understood at that time. That means you are chance to come in the research before 5 years. That means you can advance in the 5 years. There is a chance for you. Okay. Next, the symbol of this differential amplifier is case shown by operational amplifier having two input voltages V01 or V1 and V02, VI1 and VI2. VI1 is plus. That means it is non-inverting. Non-inverting is what? That we are going to see in the next period. And Vi2 is connected as a negative, that is the inverting. V01 is inverting, V02 is inverting, non-inverting. Inverting means the voltage is in phase. Non-inverting means voltage are in phase, and inverting means voltage is out of phase. If plus is applied, then in the case of inverting, it is minus. If minus is applied, then in the case of inverting, it is plus. In the case of non-inverting, if plus is applied, then plus. Minus is applied, then minus. This is the meaning. That means, in the case of inverting, the name word itself tells us the information, it inverts the input voltage. Whatever voltage is given to the terminal. That's why there are plus and minus signs. Okay. This is the differential amplifiers construction. In the next period, my friends, we will see how this differential amplifier it works and why it is very useful in the research. You are listening carefully. Some of the students are taking here, no, take it easy. Why you are bothering? There is no exam. No, we are now going to conduct the TYBSc exam, and there is a from tomorrow onwards, all the members of the college teachers are 100% from 11 to 4 in the college. You can contact me or Kamresh sir or SR Patil madam, and you can ask any queries, no problem. Even you want to give a test, they come with a single person and you submit the written test in the laboratory. Okay, thank you very much.